we're about to go pick up the merch, man. Finally, been waiting about a week. I should have been hit them up. I found them recently, and they got good prices. So, super excited to bring this merch to you guys for the first time in a long time. So let's head in here and pick these joints up and ship them off.
Hi.
Hello. What's going on? Hey. Like this. There's stressings right here too.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's clean.
You see the right one?
Right one?
Mm-hmm. That's so good.
Let's do it. Yeah. I appreciate it. Thank y'all.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. We gotta put on the new logo, the new branding.
So this was the first one.
Look at that. Look at this.
That one's dope too. That was very dope.
Go okay.
Okay.
And then we got the DeVintage World logo, 3D embroidered, bruh. This feels so, this is so awesome, bruh. Y'all don't even understand, like, and the feel the material here. Super
That's
crispy.
awesome.
Yes, sir. Got the strap back here, you know, regular little strap back, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Dope. I got a lot more ideas, you guys. We're gonna get into the unboxing later on in this video, but I have a lot of ideas as far as merch coming on the channel. I'm not gonna talk too much on it because I don't want to, you know, spoil anything, but just know a lot more coming towards the channel for you guys and for the vintage gang in general, man. So let's go ahead and throw this joint on real quick. You can't get my head. I ain't got a hair. Okay. Hey guys, I ain't got a haircut in like what, since my mom left.
Yeah.
Yes, let's go and switch this up. You see that jump? You see it? You see it? Do you see it? I don't know if you see it. Hold on, I gotta make sure I see it. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, y'all. I don't know how to act. Let's see. Ooh, that boy got the DeVintage World branded, bro. We ain't playing no games 2020, man. No games played. I appreciate all of the support you guys have been showing. All the hats was pretty much sold out, but I was pretty much like, I was talking to my wife, I was like, I'm not gonna keep one hat myself, so I still have what, 7 more?
Yeah. So
we still got 7 more hats. If you guys want them, man, let me know down below. Hit me up on IG. A lot of people already been freaking jumping on them things, so the quality is super nice. I told you I wouldn't give y'all no BS, man. And these junks is they soft, they real soft, man, real soft. Got the DeVintage World look. Oh, y'all don't know, man. Oh snap. Oh man, we about to get up out of here, man. We about to get up out of here. I gotta take a couple pictures, you know. I ain't got nothing crazy on. Check us on feet, you know what I'm saying?
I got them already, baby.
Blue the Greats, you know what I'm saying? Nothing fancy with the little watermelon face mask. You know what I'm saying? We about to throw that fit pic on the gram real quick. Nothing fancy, but I ain't been posting as much as I should on IG, so you guys stay tuned. And yeah, I gotta ship all these hats off.
Yeah. I just quickly want to say something, guys. The first time Derek did this, I don't know if y'all can see me. The first time Derek did his Gook apparel hats, you know, it was good and everything, but I feel like this time around, not only did it take a little bit longer, like he put research into this, and he found somebody that he really liked to do it. Like there were other people before this company that he chose, so it wasn't no like, okay, I'm just go with this person, I'm buy these hats. Like he put time and effort into this. Like he found these people, he liked these people, he liked their work, and he like it's a certain, like, you have to communicate correctly. You got to be a business person to do this type of stuff. So this was not like a quick thing, like, and it's limited now because of course you want to see like how it's gonna go. How the sales are gonna go. So not only did he put time and effort into this, he put money into this. I just want y'all to know that, like, this is some real entrepreneurial stuff right here. Invest in yourself. So I'm very, very, very proud of him. And I just want to thank y'all, because without the Vintage Gang, none of this would be possible. You know what I mean? Look at the hat. They look so good. So let's get out of here, man.
What's going on, guys? We are back at the crib. I know y'all seen that little, I guess, motivation, little speech I gave you guys at the beginning of the video. Short little vlog. Me picking up my first merch in a long time. As you guys do know, I did merch a long time ago when the channel name was Goop, but now we are rebranded DeVintage. That is the move, that is the way we pushing forward on the channel. And I showed y'all the hats, but now I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more up depth real quick before we get into these Travis Scotts. I was gonna do the unboxing, but we got some updated information about the Travis Scott 270s. Although they might be ugly, it's still gonna be a lot of people want to go out there and get them for the resale purposes and because they are Travis Scott fans. So you guys stay tuned, we're gonna get straight to that, but let me show you guys the hats that I have. Here you have it, the red distress hat. These things sold out first. Only got a couple of these. These things are gone. Actually, my wife had bought this and she's like, nah, I'm not getting one for free. I'm about to buy it, man. That's real support right there. I appreciate that, babe. Then you have the stone or like a mint green colorway. It's kind of bright right here. Let me turn it down real quick. So check it out, check it out. You got that white embroidered DeVintage World logo. You guys already know the deal. Check it out. Let's get to the next one real quick. I'm gonna run through these real quick so we can get to these Travis Scott 270s. Then you have the midnight navy blue suede hat with the black DeVintage World logo. Super crispy, man. I'm loving how these things came out. Like I said, I have a couple more left. I got like 2 of each colorway left. So if you guys want some, hit me up on IG at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. So hit me up and let me know you want to purchase one of these dad hats. And next we got the last one of the Mocha DeVintage World distressed baseball cap, man. Super fire. I was thinking about buying this for myself, man. This thing is dope. You know, we got the Mocha ones coming out. We got the Travis Scotts you just go with. Just a lot of sneakers you can throw these joints with. The Mocha 3s, man. I'm just saying this thing is super crispy. I might have to buy another one for myself because this thing is super crispy, man. The Mocha distressed DeVintage World hat. And then last but not least, you have that olive DeVintage World hat, man. Super fire with that super bright DeVintage World logo on top of that suede cap, man. Super nice. The quality is buttery. Like I said, this is the first wave of hats. Oh yeah, and this one right here, of course, the all black joint with the DeVintage World logo right here. You guys see the vibe, you see the move. Check it out, check it out. I have like 2 more of these left, so if you want them, like I said, hit me up on IG at DeVintage World. But like I was saying, guys, I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the channel, supporting the move. I got a lot more ideas to come out with you guys. I want to see how this one went first, and it's going very good. Like I said, I appreciate it so much. You guys will not even understand like the feeling I had when I started getting all the orders in for the merch, man. It's like really humbling and it really means a lot to me. So I appreciate you guys. Shouts out to the Vintage Gang for the love and support. But yeah, man, we about to get into these Travis Scott 270s. We got official news, official release dates, official images, and all that good stuff, man. And first thing I wanted to point out was that we'll be releasing on the Nike sneakers app May the 29th, man. That is a Friday. That's actually next Friday, and it is a draw, man. Usually we get like a first come first serve or something like that, but this one we are getting a draw on the sneaker. You guys already know that makes it, to me, a little bit harder to get. You don't have to worry about the bots as much if it's first come first serve, but it's just like you putting your raffle in for the Nike sneakers app and you don't even know like if you was the first one to do it, how does it work, what's the algorithm and stuff like that. But just know May the 29th, these Travis Scott 270s will be dropping on the Nike sneakers app via the draw, and it might be like another 15-minute draw because they used to do like the 30-minute draws, but then they stopped that. It went down like 15. I think now they're going down to 10 minutes, so I'm not very sure. We will be doing a live cop during that day. We're gonna have a lot of fun during the live streams. You guys already know we have a good time when we go live, chop it up. You guys ask me questions and stuff like that, and we'll be giving you guys details, tips and stuff on the live cop as well, man. But for this one, you need to go ahead and have your PayPal information in there. I highly advise you not to just use your debit card because you might get hit with like a fraud protection or something like that. So just use PayPal straight up, sign in right now so you can have all that knocked out. Put your shoe size already saved for these Air Max Travis Scott 270s, and make sure your shipping address is up to date as well, man. Sometimes when you log in onto the sneakers app, you try to get these sneakers, you always got to put in your shipping address and stuff like that. But if you go ahead and knock it out now, you don't have to worry about it upon the release date, man. It really saves a lot of time. You don't got to worry about putting it in. All you literally have to do when you follow all the steps I give you guys is put in your thumbprint or put in your facial recognition, whatever phone you have, so you can go ahead and enter yourself in the draw for these Air Max Travis Scott 270s. And I think the official name is like the Cactus Reacts or something like that, the Cactus Trails. I'm not too sure, but you guys already know what we're talking about. Check your Nike sneakers app right now so you go ahead and check out all the official images they have loaded onto the Nike sneakers app, man. I told you guys I'm really not a big fan of that colorway, but like I said, if I see it in hand, it might honestly change my opinion. I see my boy Wyatt's everybody favorite, he dropped a review and on feet on them joints, and I was like, man, they kind of, you know what I'm saying, they kind of looking all right. They're not looking as trash as they were when we first got the first pictures, but now the official images are up, and that's when a lot of people's opinion change. And then once they get it in hand, they're like, okay, these things is dope. So we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully your boy hits on a pair so I can give you guys a dope review and on feet over those Travis Scott Air Max 270s. And also, guys, you have to go check out the Travis Scott website right now. They have the toddler sizes on there, they have the GS sizes, and it's actually a different colorway than what the men are getting for this release. It's more of like an overall white sneaker, and I think the swoosh is actually different on the toddler collar and the GS sizes as well, man. So go check it out, TravisScott.com. They have all the images up there, and they also have some merch as well dropping on the same day. You never know, they might do how they did the Travis Scott 1 highs. They might drop it the day before the Nike sneakers app. You never know, so you guys have to be notified. Put in your email right now on the Travis Scott website so you can get notified when these shoes drop. I definitely don't think these are going to be easy to get. They're going to be super limited, of course, and they're going to be super difficult to hit on manually. I know there's going to be a lot of people using bots for the Travis Scott website, but it's still a way to get around that. You guys know that I've been hitting on Yeezy Supply on a couple of these past couple Yeezys, and I didn't have no bot. It was just manually me putting in a cart and me checking out. But I started using Google Chrome. That is when it really came in clutch, and all I had to do was literally click autofill and all my information, and I hit just like that. So I try to give you guys the best tips I can. It's not guaranteed you will get a W, but it's putting yourself ahead of a lot of people that don't know some of the tips that I give you guys. So if you want to help somebody else out, bring them to this video, let me help them out, let me give them some information as well as far as it's released, so you guys can hit on these Air Max Travis Scott 270s, man. So right now down below, if you will be going after these, drop some cactus emojis down below in the comment section so we can get some interaction going. I want to know if you think they fire, you think they trash, you're gonna cop this to resell. Let me know something down below in the comment section. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Smash the like button to go for every video. You guys already know it's 300 likes, so smash that like button right now for your boy. And if you want to cop some of the merch we have on the channel right now, more will be coming. Hit me up on IG at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.